everybody is now caught up on what's happening with the tariffs, which are obviously very important. But if we had been doing this 3 months ago, we would have been talking about AI and how it's changing the world. And I think there's a bit of a danger that it's almost like there's this wall in front of us and we've forgotten what's off in the distance, which is this powerful revolution in technology. Mark Zuckerberg said last week that what's happening in AI is staggering, and we share that view. And so I think as investors, you want to remember that it's really going to impact companies' productivity, margins. On the data centers, there's a real disconnect between the headlines, which are obviously negative, DeepSeek, Microsoft pulling back a little bit, some of the chip restrictions, and what's actually happening on the ground, which is strong demand. I mean, the big hyperscalers are spending 42% more this year than they did a year ago, $320 billion.
And we got a lot of the conference calls out of the way. Nobody really backed away from their CapEx commitments, even Microsoft.
Yeah, they're still spending an enormous amount. We're the biggest owner, the biggest developer of data centers, and our pipeline right now is up 25% year on year.